Hey, it's Jesse from Healthy Media Marketing. In this video, I'm going to go over exactly how to grow as a realtor or a real estate agency on YouTube in 2024. In the last video, I went over the 4 key video ideas, and in this video, I'm going to go more of a deep dive into how to grow. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to go over 4 key elements that you should be deep diving in on to grow on YouTube as a realtor or real estate agency on YouTube in 2024. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing, give it a like, and let me know what your biggest takeaway was down below. The number 1 idea, nurture your following. Create 100 raving fans. How do you do that? Answer comments, build the engagement, start talking to them. If somebody comments on your video, comment back. You'll start realizing who is paying attention on your videos. Give them a shout out on your video. Hey, thanks for watching, Bill from Kentucky. Get into the habit of doing them. When you do a live video, live videos are so important. Bonus tip. A live video is an engagement bomb. It would help you exponentially. So do a live video. This is a great opportunity to nurture your following. You're able to engage with a lot of your following in live videos by giving them shout outs. That loyal fan base will be there till the end of time. Keep building that. If you can get it to 100 loyal followers, what that is that's 100 likes, that's 100 comments, that's 100 views, but people watching the whole video, because minutes matter most. If you can nurture your following to get 100 raving fans for every single video, I promise you, you will grow on YouTube for the years to come. With your 100 raving fans, start pushing them to other platforms. So you've got them on YouTube, great, awesome. Build an email list. Now your 100 raving fans will open it, they'll share it with their friends, you'll start growing on that spectrum. And your other social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn is really popular. What you'll notice is if you have other fans on other networks, this will really help to expand your knowledge base and your network to grow your YouTube videos. Okay, number 2, and I go over this all the time. Consistency is better than perfection. Do not spend countless amounts of hours editing and then being detrimental about yourself and not liking how the video goes. I guarantee you, when you first start on YouTube, you will not like your videos. I'm just telling you right now. I never liked my videos in the beginning, and some of those videos grew to up over 100,000 views and really started to build my channel. Over the years, over 12 to 14 years, I have done 3 different channels. I've got about 45 to 50,000 followers between the 3 channels. And in the beginning, I did not like the videos. Why? I was shooting on a GoPro 4 on a funky stabilizer. Might be dating me a little bit, but it is just, the videos were not good. A lot of video camera equipment, a lot of lighting, a lot of things have changed over the years. And yes, the videos have gotten a lot better. And I've also gotten a lot better in front of the camera. In the beginning, you might say and etc., etc. But it's okay. You can edit that stuff out. You will get better, I promise you. Just don't go over and over and over the video. Reason why? Simple. In 6 months, you might want to do it again because you think you can do it better. It's just the way that we work. You'll do one video, you'll think you could do it a little bit better. I tell people all the time, if you're not getting 1% better every single video, I'm not doing my job correctly. Okay, now number 3 is retention. This is so important. How good is your video? Is your video reaching the right audience? How engaging is your content? If your content is not very engaging, then the retention rate is going to drop off the face of the earth. Now, you got to pay attention to this. Pay attention to your analytics. Look at your back end. How long are people watching your videos? If they're not watching your videos very long, change and do something else. Try it. YouTube is all about testing. You got to test your content. If you don't know how to test your content, reach out to me. I can definitely help. Myself and my team help channels to grow. I have a program that teaches you exactly how to do this, but I also do this for real estate agencies everywhere from Canada to Colombia and everywhere in between to help you, coach you, and make your videos better so they reach a wider audience. And retention is number one. How long are people staying in the video? Notice this video, like almost right off the bat, I was into the video. Cut out all the fluff, I didn't really get into it, and it was just like bing, bang, boom. Right into the video, right into the topics, and hopefully you guys are watching longer. If you're watching longer, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, let me know what your biggest takeaway was so far. Right there, those are engagement points, and those engagement points will help the video with your retention. It's retention, it's engagement, and that is what will help your video to grow. So engage with your following, nurture your fans, and I promise you, you will grow. Okay, so now this topic could be a video in itself. This is the fourth and final topic. Now, a lot of YouTubers out there and a lot of blogs out there say that, keywords and descriptions aren't all that important. I would have to disagree, because I've done so much testing on the back end, and companies like vidIQ that are, have so many YouTubers skyrocketing, or TubeBuddy or whatever else. I got links for those down below. The thing is they would not be out of business if this didn't work. Keywords are very, very important. I've done certain videos where keywords where I did not do any keywords at all versus videos that I did do keywords with, and the videos with keywords did this. And the videos with no keywords did this, straight across the board. So keywords do matter. How are people gonna find your video? If you create a video and there's no description or keywords or anything else, how are people gonna find your video? It won't help you on Google, it won't help you on YouTube. Now, if you are a channel that has 100,000 followers and you already have a nurtured fan base of 1,000 people, keywords and descriptions might not be as important. But when you're first starting out and you've got under 20,000 followers, keywords matter, because they will help you to rank on Google, they'll help you to rank on YouTube, and you'll start taking off. And because you can start ranking with those keywords, people can find your videos. So now you're growing your subscriber base. But once you're at 100,000 followers, from my experience, is you've already got people tuning into your videos, and that's why a lot of those people with 100,000 followers barely optimize their videos. It's because they've already got that following. In YouTube's eyes, it's engagement. So it's CTR, click-through rate, it's engagement, how many people are engaging with your videos, it's retention, it's video topic, and it's your following. So there you have it. There's four plus, and a bunch of bonus pluses to help you grow on YouTube in 2024. If you like this video, please give it a like. Let me know what your biggest takeaway was down below, and I will see you in the next video.